Jake was coming home late from work when he stepped into the empty elevator of his apartment building. He pressed the button for the 10th floor, and the doors closed. Tucked halfway up, the elevator jerked and came to a halt. The lights flickered, and suddenly, the emergency phone began to ring. Hesitant, Jake picked up. A trembling voice whispered, "You shouldn't be here." Before Jake could respond, the lights went out completely, plunging him into darkness. Moments later, they flickered back on, and Jake saw a woman standing in the corner, facing the wall. His heart raced as he tried to speak, but the woman slowly turned, revealing a pale, twisted smile. She whispered, "I've been waiting for you," just as the elevator doors opened to his floor. Jake rushed out,